Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI for All channel. Did you know that artificial intelligence is not only revolutionizing the tech world but also transforming the world of arts? It's true. AI is already creating artworks, composing music, and even writing books. This technological advancement raises fascinating questions. Can machines truly be creative? Or do they just simulate human creativity? How do these creations impact the role of human artists and the way we understand art? Today, we will explore these questions and understand how AI is collaborating and in some cases creating entirely independently in different forms of artistic expression. From algorithms that generate impressive paintings to those that compose melodies and write complex stories, AI is expanding what we consider possible in the creative field. So, if you think technology and art don't mix, keep watching and get ready to change your mind. AI creating visual art, algorithm-generated paintings. Let's start with visual art. AI-generated artwork is one of the most surprising areas of creative technology. By using neural networks and deep learning algorithms, AI can analyze thousands of classical, modern, and contemporary artworks and generate new, original compositions. The most impressive part is that these creations are often unique and innovative. How is this possible? AI is trained with vast amounts of visual data, such as paintings from different styles and periods of art history. The algorithm learns to recognize patterns in color, shapes, textures, and composition, and based on that, it can create an entirely new piece of art. One of the most significant advances in this field was the development of GANs or generative adversarial networks. This system works in two parts. One network generates the image, and the other evaluates it, deciding if it sufficiently resembles a real artwork. Over time, the generating network improves its creations until the results can be mistaken for those made by human artists. Practical examples? One of the most notable cases is the painting Edmond de Bellamy, an artwork created entirely by AI that was auctioned for over $400,000. This sparked a heated debate in the art world. Does this algorithm-created painting hold the same artistic value as one made by human hands? The work doesn't bear the signature of an artist but rather a mathematical formula representing the algorithm that created it. Is the value of this work in its technique or in the innovation behind the process? Moreover, there are platforms like DeepArt, which allow anyone to upload a photo, and AI transforms it into an artwork in the style of great masters like Van Gogh or Picasso. In this case, AI functions more as a tool for artistic transformation, enabling anyone to become a creator of new works inspired by great artists. What impact does this have on the art world? Many critics argue that AI-generated art challenges our notion of creativity and authorship. If a machine can create something beautiful and impactful without an emotional context or personal experience, is it still art? While some see these creations as a natural evolution of digital art, others believe that the true essence of art lies in the emotions and intentions of the human artist. AI composing music, algorithm-created sounds. Now let's talk about AI in the world of music. Music, like visual art, is a form of expression deeply rooted in human emotions. But what happens when algorithms start composing music? Using machine learning, algorithms can analyze musical patterns from existing compositions, identify the structures that form melodies, harmonies, and rhythms, and generate completely new music from there. AI can create everything from complex instrumental compositions to pop songs, often with such high quality that the listener cannot distinguish between music made by humans and that generated by AI. How does this work in practice? AI is trained with a vast database of music, including genres such as classical, jazz, pop, and more. By identifying the characteristics that make each style unique, the algorithm can generate new compositions that follow these structures or even mix elements from different genres to create something new. One standout example is the work of AIVA, an AI specialized in composing soundtracks. AIVA has created music for films, commercials, and video games, and in many cases, listeners cannot tell whether the music was composed by a human or a machine. Another interesting example is Endel, an AI platform that creates personalized soundtracks for different times of the day. It analyzes the user's environment and preferences, generating, in real time, a soundtrack that can help with focus, relaxation, or sleep. What does this mean for musicians? Just like in visual art, AI in music raises important questions about originality and creativity. If AI can generate a melody that moves people, is it less valuable than a composition made by a human? Furthermore, how far does the creativity of an algorithm go? One could argue that while AI is generating impressive compositions, it lacks the emotional experience that often gives depth to music. AI writing books and poems, narratives created by algorithms. AI is also venturing into the world of writing, creating everything from short stories to entire books. This is possible thanks to advancements in language models like GPT, the very system we're using now, which can generate coherent texts, build dialogues, and even structure complex narratives. How does it work? AI algorithms like GPT-3 are trained with enormous amounts of textual data. They learn how words connect and how sentences form stories. Based on that, these models can create their own texts based on a suggested theme or structure. For example, GPT-3 has already been used to write news articles, short stories, and even plays. Some readers have reported that in many cases, it's hard to tell if the text was written by a person or by an AI. Moreover, there are authors who are using AI to co-write their books, utilizing algorithms to generate dialogues, descriptions, or even suggest new plotlines. However, AI-written content raises the question of creativity. Can a story generated by AI have the same emotional impact as one written by a human? While AI can generate technically correct and engaging texts, the lack of human experience and intuition may limit the emotional weight of these stories. The intention behind the narrative remains a central factor, and this is something AI has not yet been able to replicate. AI collaborating with human artists, tool or creator? While AI is capable of creating art, music, and literature autonomously, one of the most interesting applications is when humans and AI work together. Instead of viewing AI as a replacement for human creativity, many artists are beginning to use it as a powerful tool to expand their own creative capacities. For instance, an artist can use AI to generate initial sketches or ideas, which they then refine and personalize with their own human touch. In music, algorithms can generate rhythmic or harmonic patterns that the composer can use as a starting point. This collaboration allows creators to explore paths they may never have considered without AI's help. The artist Mario Klingemann is an example of how AI can be a tool for creative exploration. He uses algorithms to generate digital artworks but sees AI as a collaborator, not a competitor. Similarly, musicians are using AI to create harmonies and melodies, enabling them to explore new styles and sounds that would challenge the limits of traditional composition. Does this collaboration change the creative process? Yes, but not in a negative way. AI can help unleash an artist's creative potential by providing new ideas and perspectives. Instead of replacing the creator, it works as a creative partner, allowing the human to focus on refining and adding a personal touch to the creations. AI in film creation, the future of cinema. Another field where artificial intelligence is gaining prominence is cinema. AI is being used to write scripts, edit films, and even generate complex visual effects, opening new possibilities for filmmakers and studios. The use of AI in filmmaking goes beyond automated tools and spans from pre-production to the final result, bringing innovation and efficiency to the industry. How does it work? During pre-production, AI algorithms can analyze scripts, predict a film's success based on similar plots, or even suggest changes to make the storyline more appealing to audiences. Advanced software like Scriptbook can predict box office performance by merely analyzing the screenplay. This allows studios to make more informed decisions before investing millions of dollars in a production. In the editing process, AI can automate scene cuts, adjust lighting, and even color-correct footage autonomously, saving hours of manual work. Deep learning algorithms are already being used to improve the quality of old videos, applying restorations and enhancements that once required weeks of human labor. What about visual effects? AI plays a crucial role in creating entire worlds and digital characters. A recent example is the use of AI to create realistic deepfakes and other computer-generated faces, allowing deceased or younger characters to appear on screen with astonishing accuracy. Additionally, AI can be used to generate crowds and entire environments without the need for extras or real locations, as seen in films like The Lion King, 2019, which was entirely created using digital animation and AI. But what does this mean for human filmmakers? Like other art forms, the use of AI in cinema raises questions about the role of human creativity. While AI tools can streamline processes and help reduce costs, do these innovations take creative control away from directors and screenwriters? For many filmmakers, AI is seen as a partner that expands their capabilities, allowing them to explore new ways of storytelling while maintaining control over the artistic vision of the project. As AI increasingly influences film production, the art of filmmaking is undergoing a radical transformation. From predicting box office hits to creating ultra-realistic visual effects, AI is helping to redefine what is possible in the seventh art. Conclusion. Today we've seen how artificial intelligence is becoming a fundamental part of the art world. From creating paintings and music to writing stories and film creation, AI is pushing the boundaries of human creativity and raising fascinating questions about what it means to be creative. While AI is doing impressive things, the debate continues: can a machine truly be creative? Or are true art and creativity still something exclusive to humans? Did you enjoy the content? Don't forget to subscribe and like the AI for All channel to stay updated on more news about technology and artificial intelligence. See you next time.